The world of cryptocurrency often presents novel concepts. One such concept is the idea of receiving digital tokens for free. These distributions are known as crypto airdrops. They represent a unique intersection of marketing, community building, and token dissemination. Understanding airdrops can open up new avenues for participation in the crypto ecosystem. It is a way for projects to reach a wide audience quickly. Many early adopters have benefited from these events. The phrase free money always captures attention. In the context of cryptocurrencies, this often refers to airdrops. Projects launch new tokens. They decide to distribute a portion of these tokens. This distribution is often to existing cryptocurrency holders, or it might be to users who perform certain tasks. The primary goal is not just generosity, of course. There are strategic objectives behind these token giveaways. These objectives often align with the long-term vision of the project. It is crucial to look beyond the free aspect. One must understand the underlying mechanics and motivations. Imagine a new software company giving away free shares. This is somewhat analogous to a crypto airdrop. However, in the decentralized world, the shares are tokens. These tokens can have various utilities. Let us begin this journey of discovery into crypto airdrops. A crypto airdrop is a distribution of cryptocurrency tokens. These tokens are sent to the wallet addresses of numerous recipients. Usually these tokens are given away free of charge. However, recipients might sometimes need to perform small tasks. The primary purpose is often promotional. New projects use airdrops to generate awareness. They want to bootstrap a large and diverse user base. This can create an initial community around their new coin or platform. It is a marketing strategy native to the digital asset space. It leverages the transparency of blockchain technology. The underlying goals of an airdrop extend beyond simple marketing. Decentralization is a core tenet of many blockchain projects. By distributing tokens widely, projects aim to avoid token concentration. If too few people hold most of the tokens, the project can become centralized. This undermines the principles of a distributed network. Airdrops help to spread ownership. This can lead to a more robust and resilient ecosystem. A wider distribution can also encourage more people to participate in the network's governance, if the token has such rights. This fosters a sense of community ownership. Another key purpose is to reward early supporters or users. Ultimately, an airdrop is a strategic tool. One of the most famous airdrop examples is Uniswap. Uniswap is a leading decentralized exchange, or DEX. In September 2020, Uniswap airdropped its governance token, UNI. They distributed 400 UNI tokens to every wallet address. The condition was that these wallets had interacted with the Uniswap protocol. This interaction could have been swapping tokens or providing liquidity. Even failed transactions qualified some users. This event was monumental. It distributed a significant portion of the token supply to its actual users. It set a precedent for rewarding early engagement. The Uniswap airdrop had a profound impact. At the time of the airdrop, 400 UNI tokens were worth a considerable sum. For many, this was thousands of US dollars. It demonstrated the potential wealth generation of airdrops. It also significantly boosted Uniswap's decentralization. Thousands of users instantly became token holders. They gained the ability to participate in Uniswap's governance. This event highlighted how airdrops could empower a community. It also spurred a wave of retroactive airdrops from other projects. They sought to emulate Uniswap's success in community building. Another significant example is the Optimism airdrop. Optimism is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. In 2022, Optimism conducted its first airdrop of OP tokens. Airdrops are not all the same. They come in several different forms. Each type has its own set of rules and objectives. The most common is the standard airdrop. In this model, users typically need to sign up. They might provide their wallet address and an email. Sometimes they join a social media channel. The project then sends a small number of tokens to their address. This is a straightforward way to gain visibility. It helps to build an initial list of interested individuals. It is often used by very new projects. Then there are bounty airdrops. These require users to complete specific tasks. The tasks can vary widely. Users might be asked to share posts on social media. They could be asked to write a blog post about the project. Some bounties involve finding bugs or translating content. In return for their efforts, users receive tokens. The more complex or time-consuming the task, the greater the reward. Bounty airdrops aim to leverage the community's skills. They get valuable work done while also distributing tokens. This creates active, rather than passive, recipients. Holder airdrops are another significant category. Section 5. Earning your share. How to qualify for airdrop rewards. Qualifying for crypto airdrops often requires proactive engagement. One common method is being an early user of a new platform or protocol. Projects frequently reward individuals who interacted with their smart contracts before a certain date. This was the primary mechanism for the Uniswap airdrop. Using a decentralized application or dApp in its early stages, even for small transactions, can make you eligible. This means exploring new technologies. It involves taking some risk with nascent platforms. However, the rewards can be substantial if the project succeeds and decides to airdrop tokens. Holding specific cryptocurrencies is another path to qualification. As mentioned with holder airdrops, some projects distribute new tokens to existing holders of established coins like Bitcoin or Ether. Sometimes holding a project's own native token can qualify you for future airdrops from that same project or partner projects. This encourages long-term holding and support. You usually need to hold these tokens in a non-custodial wallet. This means a wallet where you control your private keys. Tokens held on centralized exchanges might not always qualify, or the exchange might claim the airdrop. Engaging with a project's community is increasingly important. Many projects look for active and genuine participation. Section 6. Navigating the hunt: essential tools for airdrop discovery. Finding legitimate airdrops requires dedicated effort and the right tools. Several websites and platforms specialize in aggregating airdrop information. Airdropalert.com is one well-known resource. It lists ongoing and upcoming airdrops. It often provides details on how to participate. It also categorizes airdrops by type and difficulty. Using such platforms can save you considerable time. They do the initial work of finding potential opportunities. However, you must still do your own research. Do not blindly trust any listing. Verify the project's authenticity. CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko are popular cryptocurrency data aggregators. They also feature sections dedicated to airdrops and crypto events. These platforms are widely trusted for price and market capitalization data. Their airdrop listings often come with a degree of vetting. However, this is not a full guarantee of legitimacy. They provide calendars of upcoming token sales and airdrops. This can help you stay ahead. Many projects announce their airdrops through these major platforms. This is to reach a broad, crypto-savvy audience quickly and efficiently. Section 7. The other side of the coin: risks and scams in the airdrop world. While airdrops can be rewarding, they are also fraught with risks and scams. The allure of free tokens makes them a prime target for malicious actors. One common scam involves fake airdrop announcements. Scammers create websites or social media profiles that impersonate legitimate projects. They promise valuable tokens. However, their goal is to steal your private keys or seed phrases. They might ask you to connect your wallet to a malicious site, or they might ask you to send a small amount of crypto to verify your address. Never share your private keys with anyone. Phishing attacks are rampant in the airdrop space. You might receive emails or direct messages. These messages claim you have qualified for an airdrop. They will contain a link. This link leads to a fake website designed to look like a real wallet interface or project page. If you enter your credentials or approve a malicious transaction, your funds can be stolen. Always verify the source of any airdrop information. Double-check website URLs. Be extremely skeptical of unsolicited messages regarding airdrops. Legitimate projects rarely DM users first about airdrops. Another risk is the dusting attack combined with a scam. Section 8. From Zero to Hero: Inspiring Airdrop Success Stories. The Uniswap airdrop remains a cornerstone of success stories. Many early users of the decentralized exchange received 400 UNI tokens. At certain points, the value of UNI soared. This meant that the airdrop tokens became worth tens of thousands of dollars for some individuals. Imagine being a student or someone with modest crypto holdings. Receiving such a sum for simply trying out a new platform was life-changing for some. These stories fueled widespread interest in retroactive airdrops. They showed that genuine value could be distributed to early adopters. It was a powerful demonstration. Beyond Uniswap, other projects have also delivered significant value. The Ethereum name service, ENS, airdropped ENS tokens to users who had registered ETH domain names. The amount received depended on factors like the age of the domain registration. Some long-term users received tokens worth substantial amounts. This rewarded those who had supported the decentralized naming system early on. It also empowered them to participate in the governance of ENS. The DYDX airdrop is another compelling example. Section 9. Conclusion: Seizing opportunities in the evolving airdrop landscape. Crypto airdrops represent a unique and evolving facet of the digital asset economy. They offer a compelling way for new projects to gain visibility. They help build communities and encourage decentralization. For users, they present the exciting possibility of receiving valuable tokens. This can be for early participation, holding certain assets, or completing tasks. The concept of free money is certainly attractive. However, it is crucial to approach airdrops with knowledge and caution. Understanding the underlying mechanics and motivations is paramount. This allows for informed decision-making. The landscape of airdrops is constantly changing. Projects are becoming more sophisticated in their distribution criteria. They are moving beyond simple signups. They now often reward genuine engagement and contribution. This means that active participation in the crypto ecosystem is becoming more valuable. Exploring new dApps, participating in governance, and contributing to communities can increase your chances. Staying informed through reliable tools and channels is essential. The examples of Uniswap, Optimism, and ENS show the potential impact. They highlight how airdrops can empower users and foster project growth. However, the allure of free tokens also attracts scammers. Risks such as phishing, fake airdrops, and worthless tokens are ever present. Vigilance and due diligence are your primary defenses. Never share your private keys.